TV real quick? Are you busy? I just need to talk to them really, really quick.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kaylaharnae. Hey, hiya. There. Okay, so today's video is just, I wanted to show you my everyday sparse eyebrow routine. Like I don't have the thickest brows, which God bless you if you do. Listen, a blessing, okay? But I make it work every time. I literally haven't had my eyebrows threaded in well over a year. I do want to get my eyebrows done soon, which I will show you guys, but this is my routine for when they're like unkept and they're just, you'll see. But I just wanted to show you my everyday brows, and yeah, they definitely come out different every day because that's just what comes with life, you know? Oh, and happy Vlogmas Day 14? Boo. 14.
Okay.
That's wild. But, okay. Love you. Hey y'all. Okay, so these are my two products that I use. This is the Brow Ultra Slim by Maybelline, y'all. Yes, Maybelline. So I like to start off by brushing my eyebrow hairs upwards with the spoolie. As you can see, yeah, brows. But I like to start underlining the brows. That way, basically I'm just tracing out my shape. And I like to start at the bottom. And then I just, you see, work my way up the top and start filling in the top. And as I'm filling in the hairs, it's very, very tiny strokes. I'm going in with the light hand. It's not heavy at all. It's just a bunch of tiny strokes. And as I'm stroking it, I'm also brushing it. So you just got to stroke and brush, okay? Brush and stroke and brush. And Lord knows I'm trying my best to explain to you guys. But this is my favorite part. Honestly. I like making little hair strokes. So at the front of my brow, I take the pencil straight up and I just flick little hair-like strokes upward, and I'll like kind of make them slanted, just trying to mimic actual real hair. And then of course I brush it just to make sure everything's blended and it looks as realistic as possible. I'm just looking at you, boo. Come say hi. My audience.
Can you take a sip?
No.
Treating you like one of our own. Because that's exactly what you are. Employee price at the
Come say hi.
Hi guys.
Come here.
Welcome to Kaylah's channel.
You got it done. Now Walmart can help check off your
Come.
list with free curbside pickup. Fast delivery from your Walmart store. Or gifts shipped right to your door.
Well, now I'm applying the pendant to my eyebrows, and I'm going up because if you go side to side, it's going to not look natural. And now I'm looking in the camera, see if I did it right. Messed up a little bit, but nobody's going to see it.
Where I mess up at?
I'm just talking.
You want to do another
Nope, that's it right there. Gotta do it.
It's rude.
Gotta do it.
Really want your favorite beer? There's a
Just like magic, yeah. Hope you guys didn't mind that. Now with a flat concealer brush or just any flat precise, I mean I prefer to get a concealer brush, so I'm just going to recommend you get a concealer brush. But I like to clean up underneath my brows with foundation. I don't like to use concealer unless it's the same shade as me. As far as cleaning up my brows if I'm not wearing any other makeup, because I mean come on, and plus obviously when it's the same shade it blends more, honey. But yeah, I just clean it up underneath, and I just in between putting the product on there, I also take my finger and, you know, blend it out a little bit. Pretty self-explanatory. Don't know if this voiceover is necessary. I mean, I know it's necessary, but at this point I'm pretty sure you guys get the point. But just enjoy the rest of the video, and I freaking love you, and yes, I just freaking love you so much. Oh, and I do want to say sometimes after I clean up my brows, I'll like take some of the product off. So I'll go back in with the pencil and just fill in and, you know, make a brow happen. Okay, love you. Hope you guys learned something. I use drugstore product and it's great, and it costs like $6 or $8. But yeah, that's my eyebrow routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you tomorrow, and I freaking love you, okay?